The alternating Smith machine reverse lunge is a leg exercise that primarily targets the muscles in the quadriceps as well as the hamstrings and glutes. Using the Smith machine provides extra stability to the movement due to the locked-in bar path. However, this reduces the activation of the stabilizer muscles used when completing the alternating barbell reverse lunge. Here's how to do it correctly. Position the bar at shoulder height, securely lock it in place, then load it with an appropriate amount of weight for your strength level. Stand in the center of the Smith machine with your feet hip width apart. Grip the bar with both hands, palms facing forward, with the bar resting on the back of your shoulders. Keep your core engaged and maintain an upright posture throughout the movement. Unlock the bar from the safety hooks, then step one foot back into a reverse lunge position, lowering your back knee towards the floor. Ensure your front knee is aligned over your ankle and your back knee forms a 90-degree angle. Lower your body until your back knee is just above the floor and your front thigh is parallel to the ground. Push through your front heel to rise back up to the starting position, bringing your back foot forward to meet your front foot. Repeat the movement with the opposite leg, stepping back into a reverse lunge. Breathe in as you step back into the lunge and breathe out as you push up to the starting position. Continue alternating legs with each rep, maintaining control and balance throughout the exercise. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.